It's a Coppersmith barbet, also called crimson-breasted barbet. It's a resident bird seen in the Indian subcontinent and parts of Southeast Asia. This bird looks very beautiful with a red forehead, yellow eye ring and a throat patch with streaked underline and green wings and tail. Barbets are frugivorous, who is an important agent of seed dispersal in tropical forests. These birds are monomorphic, which means males and females look alike. This barbet is busy with carving a hole in the tree. This guy found it's a weak branch, so she can have a nest easily for its offspring. And also, it's safe to have a nest in the down part of the branch, which helps its offspring to get away from the sight of predators and extreme weather. If you went to a tropical forest, definitely you have heard its sound. It's like striking metal with a hammer. Well, let the coppersmith take its own time to make its nest.